Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. Today I am going to make the pasta with South Asian touch of the South Asian spice and also with the chicken tikka. So first we will make the chicken tikka marination. So already this is half chicken breast, we don't need too much, and I have cut it like this is small pieces. So now first we will marinate the chicken tikka. So we will put the half teaspoon chili pepper, and I will put some like a quarter teaspoon salt, and also quarter teaspoon garam masala, and I will add some like a half teaspoon oil. We'll mix it. So we'll leave it for 10-15 minutes, and meantime I will do some other stuff. So first we need to boil the pasta. So I already water already ready, is boiling. So now I will put before I put the pasta, I need to add some salt, like a half teaspoon salt, and also we'll put half teaspoon oil. I am using olive oil. So now I'll put the pasta. So we need to boil at least 8 to 9 minutes. You can cover it on medium heat. So I already put the 2 tablespoon oil and already preheated. So oil temperature is ready. Now I will put the 2 cloves of garlic fine chop. We need to little bit saute. So we are using some vegetables and also chicken tikka with the pasta. So I have some mushroom, some green pepper, bell peppers, like a green, red, whatever you have, and also some onions already diced size. So now we'll put all the vegetable. We need to saute a little bit. Now you can increase the flame medium to high. You don't have to cook too much, just little bit. The raw things has to be finished. It has to be like a cook. So vegetables are sauteed now. So I have to turn off the gas. So we'll take it out and we'll keep it inside. So I already preheated the oil. I put the 2 tablespoon oil. So temperature is right now on medium heat. So now we'll put the chicken tikka. We'll cook it on the pan. We'll cook for 6-7 minutes, both sides. So time to flip the chicken. The chicken tikka is ready. Now I have to turn off the gas and I'll take it out. So pasta is already boiled. I have been boiling for the last 12 minutes. So this is penne pasta. You can use it any other pasta. So now I have to drain it. So we'll keep it for 5 minutes. Then we will start cooking. Now we are going to make the pasta sauce, white pasta sauce, which will be little bit touch of a spice. So we'll put the 5 tablespoon butter. So we'll wait for until it's melt. So butter is already melted and also already hot enough. Now we'll put the 4 tablespoon of the all-purpose flour. So you need to make sure you have to put the flame on the low otherwise flour will be burned. We don't want that. So you need to cook the flour. Flour is raw. You need to roast it. It will take 4-5 minutes and low heat. So white flour is already cooked. So now I'll have to put the 2 cup of the milk. So you need to cook until it's become a thick. Then go for the next process. So now this stage you can see is already start getting thicker. So now I'll put the half teaspoon salt as taste, and I will put some half teaspoon black pepper, and also I'll put the some red chili, Thai chili. I already fine chop. This is like a 2 chili. And also some seasoning. This is garlic roasted and with some spices. We'll sprinkle like a half teaspoon. Then we'll mix it. If you think your sauce, white sauce is like a little bit thicker, you can add little bit water also. If you don't, you can do that. Also you can, if you want milk, you can add little bit milk if it's too thick. So we'll cook for another 3-4 minutes. Then after that I'll go for the final process. So now sauce is ready. You can see texture like this is perfect, because we have to cook again another 2-3 minutes. So now we'll put the, before I put the pasta, so I'll put some chili flakes also. So now we'll put the pasta. And also we are using some Parmesan cheese. If you can use any other cheese also, whatever you like. So now I'll put the chicken and all the vegetable. So we'll mix it. We'll cook for another on slow heat 3 minutes. So pasta is ready. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe. So now I'll turn off the gas. So I have to ready for serve.